Okay, this is a tutorial on adding choices or options after it's been enabled for Choice Eliminator 2. This is different than how Choice Eliminator 1 worked or just Choice Eliminator Lite, or even what the most intuitive way for adding options are. So here's my form. I have option 1 and 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable Choice Eliminator 2 at this point. And what that does is that actually records option 1 and 2 as soon as I hit the checkbox. This means those are the choices that Choice Eliminator knows should be in the form. And what happens if you add options after the fact, Choice Eliminator 2 does not know that those options exist. So when I go to the form and I select an option, and I see all the options at the moment, because no point has Choice Eliminator ran to even know it's new. I hit submit. I'm going to wait the processing time, which for this is probably about 2 to 3 seconds. And go back. And you'll notice that all the options that I had previously added have been gone. Again, this is because Choice Eliminator 2 did not know they existed. It only knows about choices 1 and 2. And you can see that by going to Choice Options. Right here, it only knows that choice 1 and choice 2 have existed, and the count for choice 1 is 1 and the limit's 1, so that one is gone. I'm going to actually restore choices to bring them back. So if you have a very simple form, you can actually uncheck Choice Eliminator and add your options, and then recheck Choice Eliminator. Keep in mind, you don't want to do this if you have set any limits, because those limits will have been removed. So now I have 4 options that Choice Eliminator knows about. If you want to keep, let's say you set some limits and on some of these, and you don't want to delete those limits or the counts they are, but you need to add another one in. You can go to the menu and click Add, option 5. And as soon as I hit Enter, come down here, it will be added to the form. If you need to reorder, you can reorder the options. So 1, 5, 2. And if you need to get rid of another one, you can do it using the X here. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to close, and you'll see that it has kept the order that I was looking at. And I think I set it to 2 options. Is there any one that I set to 1? I'm going to bring the limits back to 1 just for the example of this form. I'm going to go back to my form here. I'm going to hit refresh. And then I'm going to select, let's say, option 2. I'm going to hit submit. Wait the processing time, about 2 seconds. And you'll notice that option 2 has been removed. Control Shift. Okay, and I'm actually going to restore all the choices. So that is how you add choices once Choice Eliminator 2 has been enabled for the form. Thank you.